realize I replaced that Purell with KY, right?
Max, please say you're kidding.
Of course I'm kidding. I can't afford lube, I just use my tears.
Max, seriously, don't mess with my hand sanitizer. I've already caught poverty this year, and I refuse to catch the flu. I just have to keep cleaning my hands and not touch anyone.
Caroline, I have checked from table 10.
Okay, just place it right there. That's a big tip, wow!
You know, in Indonesia, you'd be married now.